Okay guys, welcome back to my channel for part 2 of the first episode. And so now part 2 is me going to pick out 3 dogs. I'm looking for 2 large breed and 1 small. And we're here again at Wollies, as you can see behind me. And I don't know if you can see properly, but yeah. And so we're going to go inside and I'm going to just check it out. So yeah, I'm looking for basically a small dog that is very energetic, who'll play with me because it's gonna be my dog, and okay, they're all gonna start barking now, but that's okay. And so I'm looking for a small dog because I'm the youngest, so I'm going to be the only one mostly at home. So I want a dog that's going to be with me all the time, playing with me, that's going to chill with me and also go run around with me. And yes, so I'm just basically looking for a dog that's not too energetic but also not too lazy. This one, it looks like his owner is coming back for him, and yeah, and this one too, because the forms say that their owners have their owners' names, and so I think those ones, I'm not sure about those ones if they can be adopted. So let's see the other ones. I know this is a puppy area, but I'm just looking for maybe a puppy that will be a small breed dog because I'd also no, I'm looking for large breed dogs too. That's why I was just looking at them, but there's also puppies here because I'd also prefer a puppy because then I could raise the dog, which I'd also like a lot because also I don't know the past of the animals that have been here. So it might be a little bit more difficult with them, like to get them into a new house and everything. So that's why I prefer a puppy.
What would you say are the disadvantages of raising a dog that has been...
It's very hard. It's like you can say you can't teach an old dog new tricks, like that saying. Yeah. So it's very hard to basically like the saying. So it's going to be very difficult for me to try and get it to suit what I do in my daily life because I also go to school and I also do these things and I go to netball and I do this and this and that. So it's going to be very hard to get the dog to be comfortable with that too. Hello. 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 I think I'm gonna go inside with you. You look so cute. It's like a Jack Russell. So it'll be perfect because it's a small breed dog. I'm still a puppy.
So do you think that's the right dog for you?
So far so good.
Yeah.
Perfect size for me. Perfect amount of energy.
Okay, do you know what breed that is?
That looks like a Jack Russell. This one looks like some hunting dog. I'm not sure. Because of the stripes on his chest, he looks like some type of hunting dog. So yeah. Shit, man, look how he's crying. below. So now we've come to the end of part 2, and all that's left now is going to fill in the adoption papers. And I'm really excited. I think this is going to be my other puppy that I want to adopt because I like her really much. And thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like, and comment down below if you'd like to see more videos like this, and also what you prefer and which dog you like the most of the ones that I was playing with. Thank you very much for watching, and bye bye.